Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys infinix mobile guys press power button to end call setting, how to on, how to enable. Friends, you want to enable, you want to turn on, press power button to end call setting. So friends, now let's see how to on power button to end call setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So when how to on power button to end call setting, scroll it. Friends, click here special function setting. After on special function setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click here accessibility setting. After on accessibility setting friends, you want to hide translate setting, select to speak setting, talkback setting, switch access setting, font size. When dark theme you want to enable, so you can enable dark theme, and you don't want to use, so friends you can disable from here. So friends, scroll it and friends you can see press power button to end call setting, power button to end call. Friends, you want to on, so you can on, and friends you can cut your call when your phone screen is on. You can cut call with power button, press power button, call will cut automatic. And once you want to on auto rotate screen settings, so you can on auto rotate and you can off auto rotate and you can off power button to end call setting. So friends, you don't want to cut call with power button, so turn off your power button to end call setting. And friends, you want to cut call with power button, so friends on your power button to end call setting. And friends, when your phone screen is on, you can cut call with power button, you press power button, call will cut. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.